Alright, so let's just grab these packages. I have my gloves on for a reason. I got my gloves on for a reason because I'm going to the mailbox to return. Well, to have these returned, you know, gotta be touching the mailbox, gotta be careful because of, Corona going around. And I don't want to be catching Corona. So open the mailbox, toss these in. Good. Put a little flag up so the mailman knows that something's in there waiting for him or her. Hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm going to show you what happened to me this morning. Look at him dancing, watching Sesame Street. He will literally watch Sesame Street all day. Alright, so this is my laptop that I use on a daily basis, multiple times per day. This is what I use to do my work, make money online, do my video editing, and so on. So I was using my laptop yesterday for some weird reason. It crashed, shut down, and all these things. I thought like something actually went wrong with it, but I didn't take it too serious. I thought, okay, some program must be running up my CPU usage or something like that, and I would have to like probably either format it or reconfigure something on whatever program is causing my laptop to crash. But anyways, last night when I was using it, it started like smelling like something was burning. So I pulled it and everything, and there was like a lot of dust on the fan blade, so I kind of cleaned it off and then turned it back on. In no time after that, like I literally smell smoke coming from it. So this is what it looks like underneath my laptop. There was like a lot of gunk in this section here. As you can see, the fan blades are kind of, let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Yeah, there we go. It's like a lot of dust was built up on it. So I pulled this fan blade off. When I look here, a lot of dust, as you can see on the tape here, and I'm like, dang. So basically the laptop literally crashed and burned. There was smoke coming from this area right here of the laptop where the fan is. So I'm assuming the motherboard is dead. I think the hard drive, which is this here, it's a M2 hard drive right here. I think this is still good. My RAM chips, I think those are still good as well. The hard drive, the secondary hard drive, I think is still good. I think the motherboard itself is dead. I went online, searched for a motherboard. There was only one person on eBay selling it, and it was too overpriced. So I'm gonna continue to search because I will be repairing this laptop. The battery is still good, and the fans are still good. Everything else is basically still good. I'm hoping, I assume, but I think the motherboard itself is dead. So I'll be basically have to be doing work from my phone and video editing from my phone, which will kind of suck for the rest of a couple days. But anyways, you know how the grind goes. Never give up, keep on hustling. All right, so different day, same grind. This is my Surface, Windows Surface tablet, Windows Surface Pro 2. Yeah, I had this like years ago, and I still kept it just in case my main system died, in which it did. So I still use this. It's still good. It has Windows 10 on it. I have a Adobe Premiere Elements or Premiere Pro, I think, on it. So this is what I'm going to be using to do my video editing for now, for posting videos on my YouTube channel. Since this is dead, what I'll do, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be keeping it and probably try to get a motherboard for it to replace it. But what I think I might do is sell this on eBay as broken, because a person might need the monitor or something, or if a person wants to repair it and use it for themselves, then they can easily buy it from me and get a motherboard, toss it in there, and continue using this laptop. But what I'll do is I'll take out my hard drives out of it, because I don't want to lose my data and information that's on it. As for this is like a 128 gigabyte um, tablet. It's still pretty good, still good for like doing my video editing and so on. And sometimes the screen goes and come because I kind of damage it, but it's working pretty well now. And has a little stylus here. So what I'll be doing is using this for my video editing for now, and hopefully this thing doesn't crash on me, but I don't think it will, because I have been using it for years. I don't think um anything major is wrong with it. So for now, you know, subscribe to my channel. I have new things coming up like this video. Turn on your post notification and stuff like that, because I will be doing some crazy things. I have a idea for the lake at the back of the house. What I want to do is, well, I'm not even going to tell you what I'm going to do with my GoPro and the lake, but you have to subscribe to my channel and find out what I'll be doing. Hopefully I can go to the store and get some items to help me with that video. But with that said, hope you have a great day. Remember to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel before you go. See you soon.